So in this video, I'll show you how to put Instagram link in YouTube description. So the step are simple to follow. First of all, now go to Play Store or App Store and download this YouTube Studio. After you download YouTube Studio now, go and open the YouTube Studio like this now. After you open the YouTube Studio now, go and sign up with the email that you open your YouTube channel. So I signed up with my email. So now I'll tap on this profile. So after you tap on this profile, all you have to do now to add the link, all you have to do now, you can tap on this, as you can see now, this pencil icon. After you tap on the pencil icon like this now, all you have to do now, scroll all the way down. As you can see, here is this add links. As you can see now, this links, to tap on this pencil beside the links. So in this section now, all you have to do now, tap on this add button. So after you tap on this add button, as you can see now, here it says title. So now go ahead and type in the title. It's just type in Instagram. So after you type Instagram like this now, all you have to do now in this section now, go and put in your link for your YouTube channel. So now I'll just go back and copy the I'll just go ahead and copy the link of my Instagram account. So copy link of your Instagram account now. After you open your Instagram, go to your profile like this now. After you open your profile, now long press your hand on your profile like this and tap on this copy. After you copy the link like this now go back to your YouTube Studio. Here is it now. So now all you have to do now, long press your hand on this section like this now. So now tap on this paste button. Now tap on this done. So now tap on this save button. So now I put, as you can see now I put the Instagram link under my YouTube description. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, guys.